Apply principles of professional practice at the workplace. Description: this unit deals in detail with the application of principles of professional practice like professional image, professional competence, discipline, ethics and work effectiveness. Scope: the unit task covers the following: maintain a professional image and behavior, maintain and enhance professional competence, work in a disciplined and ethical manner, work effectively with all stakeholders. Elements and performance criteria. PC1. Display appropriate professional appearance for the workplace. Interact with team leaders, client, vendors, visitors and other stakeholders in a professional manner. Develop personal and professional goals and objectives. Identify strengths and weaknesses in relation to goals and objectives. Evaluate own capacity to meet goals and objectives. Determine personal development needs to perform role as per desired standards. Develop a professional development plan to enhance professional capabilities. Document a professional practice plan designed to support the achievement of goals. Select and implement development opportunities to support continuous learning and maintain currency of professional practice. Research developments and trends in impacting on professional practice and integrate for information into work performance. Invite peers and others to observe and provide feedback on own performance and practices. Use feedback from colleagues and clients to identify and introduce improvements in work performance. Perform tasks to the required workplace standard. Complete duties accurately, systematically and within required time frames. Follow organizational policies. Protect the rights of the client and organization when delivering services. Ensure services are delivered equally to all clients regardless of personal and cultural beliefs. Recognize potential ethical issues in the workplace and discuss with an appropriate person. Recognize the unethical conduct and report to an appropriate person. Operate within an agreed ethical code of practice. Apply organizational guidelines and legal requirements on disclosure and confidentiality. Identify and obtain clarity regarding organizational, team and own goals. Prioritize tasks at work as per organizational, team and own goals. Plan to meet team performance targets and standards. Monitor own and team performance as per agreed plans. Share all relevant information with stakeholders in agreed formats and as per agreed timelines. Work collaboratively with colleagues through sharing information and ideas and working together on agreed outcomes. Recognize, avoid and or address any conflict of interest. Use of conflict resolution and negotiation skills to identify critical points, issues, concerns and problems. Identify options for changing behaviors. Recognize and respond to inappropriate behavior towards self or others in a professional manner and as per organizational policy. Inappropriate behavior, violence, inappropriate language, verbal or physical abuse or bullying, insensitive verbal or physical behavior in terms of cultural, racial, disability and gender-based insensitivities, dominant or overbearing behavior, disruptive behavior, non-compliance with safety instructions, unethical behavior. Knowledge and understanding. Organization's HR system, policies and procedures, organizational hierarchy and escalation metrics, organizational health, safety and environment, work area inspection procedures and practices. Importance of displaying professional appearance behavior at all times. Importance of developing personal and professional goals and objectives. Importance of identifying strengths and weakness in relation to goals and objectives. How to identify strengths and weakness and evaluate own capacity to meet goals and objectives. How to determine personal development needs. Importance of continuous learning and developing professional development plan. Development opportunities to support continuous learning and maintain currency of professional practice. Developments and trends impacting on professional practice. Importance of taking and using feedback from colleagues and clients to identify and introduce improvements in work performance. Perform tasks to the required workplace standard. Importance of discipline and ethics in a professional workplace. Importance of recognizing unethical conduct and reporting to appropriate authority. Guidelines and legal requirements on disclosure and confidentiality, importance of collaborating with colleagues through sharing information and ideas and working together on agreed outcomes, how to recognize, avoid and or address any conflict of interest, types of inappropriate behaviors at the workplace and how to recognize them. Inappropriate behavior: violence, inappropriate language, verbal or physical abuse or bullying, insensitive verbal or physical behavior in terms of cultural, racial, disability and gender based incentivities, dominant or overbearing behavior, disruptive behavior, non-compliance with safety instructions, unethical behavior, how to respond to inappropriate behavior towards self and others in a professional manner. General skills: prepare a personal development plan, read organizational guidelines and legal requirements, search and study from various information sources in order to learn about latest updates for self-development, read and interpret feedback received from peers, receive feedback from clients or concerned stakeholders, communicate development plan with superiors, plan to meet own and team performance targets and standards, describe own role in achieving the goal, describe others' role in achieving the goal, list activities, milestones and timelines, identify and the support and resources needed to help work towards the goal, plan and organize a personal development plan for self, provide quality services to all clients, display professional appearance and behavior to all internal and external clients, use of conflict resolution and negotiation skills to identify critical points, issues, concerns and problems, identify options for changing behaviors, recognize, avoid and or address any conflict of interest, identify own strengths and weakness with respect achieving performance standards on the job, identify inappropriate behavior and how to deal it.